Namaste everyone, this is AJ and let's move towards today's episode of 10 words per day by Tathwamasi Learning Hub. Today also we have selected 10 important and interesting words from the Hindu newspaper. The first word is it's dethroned, a specimen found by British brigadier in 1932. And the word dethroned means, first of all, you have to understand this is an important article for our UPSC aspirants who are preparing for the civil service. It's an interesting PC level question too. So the word dethroned means to remove any governing authority from power. It also means that to depose, but apt meaning of this article is to remove any governing authority from power or to remove from any position of high status. As per the article, it shows that a new variety of butterfly species has been discovered with largest wing size, which has overthrown the former record of India's largest butterfly, which was discovered in 1932, and the later discovered species have break the records of that 1932 discovered species. So dethrone means to remove from any position of high status or power. The next word is cremated. Family waiting to bury woman learns she has already been cremated. Cremated means to burn something to ashes, to incinerate a dead body, and the article says that the dead body has been already cremated before the family knows the matter. So cremator means to incinerate a dead body. Next word is reinstate. Reinstate means to restore to a former position or rank, or to bring back into use or existence. This is also a rare word, commonly used. To restore to a former position or rank. Next word is respite. Delhi gets respite as COVID-19 cases fall, and the meaning of this word respite is a brief interval of rest. This is the apt meaning or relief. As per the article, the apt meaning is a brief interval of rest or relief. Okay, next word, it's duped. AIIMS nursing officer duped of 34 lakh. Duped means a person who has been deceived. Now you are thinking, what is meant by deceived? Just like deceived means deceive, to trick or mislead. Someone has been misled by some others. In AIIMS nursing officer has been duped. That is what the meaning. Someone has been deceived or someone has been tricked or misled. Next word is most rarely used word, and it's interesting word too. Saber rattling. More saber rattling, more isolation. This is the tagline of the article. And the meaning of the word saber rattling is apt meaning is any threat, such as one company threatening another with a lawsuit. When one company is threatening another company by a lawsuit, this means the saber rattling. So please remember this word. We can be used in the UPSC exams as it describes the word threat here. Okay. This word is maladies. Bollywood's many maladies. Very rare word, and the meaning is a mental defect or disorder or a moral, a particular concept of defect. Bollywood's many maladies. Another word is mayhem, and the meaning is a state or situation of great confusion, disorder, trouble, or destruction or chaos, or infliction of violent injury on a person or a thing. But the apt meaning is a state or situation of great confusion. A confusion which can be otherwise termed as mayhem. Another word is seizure. UAE probe on a gold seizure case, and the seizure means a sudden attack or convulsion or a sudden onset of pain or emotion. But the apt meaning is that the act of taking possession as by force or right of law. This is the apt meaning for the word seizure here. Final word is influx. Non-stop refugee influx. And the word influx means a flow inward or into something a coming in, or that which flows or comes in. It means that something that comes in or flows. So influx means something that comes in or flows. Okay guys, this is the 10 words that I selected interestingly today, and please do subscribe our channel. We will come in with another 10 interesting words tomorrow. Thank you.